Hello guys, I am glad to see you on my channel. Here we try different strategies for trading binary options, and also I am explaining how to open position and how to end up in profits, guys. And today trading is not gonna be an exception. I have prepared the following indicators. Let me show you. The first one is the fractal and the second one is the stochastic oscillator. Before we get started, I want to change the settings. Overbought zone to 70 and oversold to 30. Save changes. Okay. So, how are we going to act? We are going to open position with the trend, play out the pullback and correction from the strong zones, I mean the support and resistance zone, and we also pay attention to the crossing of the moving average on the stochastic. As simple as that, guys. Well, I'm gonna demonstrate all that in practice. So let's put down the maximum trade amount and let's get started to analyze the market, guys. We need the currency pair to have the highest payout rate. Well, we see a flat on the chart, the local low was updated. The accumulation zone has been formed here. At the same time, we see the crossing on the stochastic. And it's time to open a short position, guys. It's logical, so let me explain. If you look at the chart, we see that the sideways trend is dominating here. The price entered this accumulation zone and the price updated its local high at this point. Previously, the price updated the local low here, and now the price should go down after staying this as the accumulation zone. We see the crossing of the moving average on the stochastic, and it's far beyond the overbought zone, so the rebound is interval. And there we go. The price is going down exactly as we expected. There are 5 seconds left before the expiration time. We need the candle to expire as low as possible. Let's wait. And the position has been closed to profits. We got almost $500 on the balance. Let's continue the trading session, and of course we update the trade amount. Let's remove these currency pairs, guys, and continue making money. Well, what do we got here? Okay, it's looking promising, guys. We can observe the sideways trend on the chart. I want to point out the support zone. Actually, it's a little bit lower. And the price should bounce from it and finally go up. Also take a look at the stochastic, the moving average crossed, which means the upward dynamics is gonna take place. So guys, let's see. There are around 10 seconds left before the closing, and I'm sure that the price will break out probably at the last moment. And there we go, exactly as we predicted. On the last second before the closing, the price broke out. Let's update the trade amount, and we are gonna continue the trading session. Actually, now is not the best time for trading. I see a lot of sideways movement on the charts. So So I think it makes sense to open a long position here. It's pretty simple. Let me show you one more time. There was a strong downward dynamics here. Then the price updated its local low. After that, the local high was updated. I think the local low was updated at this level, and the price is gonna go to the upside because the price hasn't touched the overbought zone yet. And there we go. Just look at this huge pump. This is incredible. However, it was quite predictable. Let's wait for the outcome. Low volatility is good for us, guys. There are 2 seconds left before the closing. And there we go. Another one is in the profits. Good job, guys. We got $1,300 from the balance. So let's continue analyzing. We are interested in the reliable trading signals. There is no point taking unnecessary risks. I guess the price pullback should eventually happen here. The price updated its local high, after which the downward dynamics followed up, and I think the local low was updated. Also, we see the crossing of the oversold zone of the stochastic, so the reversal is inevitable. And now let's simply watch the price movement, guys. I think the price will eventually break out. Let's see, guys. Intense movement, guys, but I think on the last second we are gonna see the breakout. And there we go. We are in the profits. Whew, guys, that was really close. Anyway, I think this candle is gonna start the price pullback. Let's keep going, there is no stopping here. So look at the strong support zone at the bottom. The touch of the oversold zone is happening on the other side. And let's open a long position. A little pullback is very likely to happen here. Here is the inception of the new candle, so yeah, it's gonna go. After the strong dump, after these red candles, I think a small price pullback should take place. We have a lot of signals for that, like the crossing of the overbought zone on the stochastic. Let's watch this, guys. I think on the last second something will happen, and yep, here it comes, a beautiful pump, exactly as we predicted. Seconds, and our position is in a profit, guys. We played out the price rebound perfectly. There is no stopping here. We are gonna continue the trading session. So what do we got here? Downward dynamics dominates here. Recently the price updated the local high, and at the same time we see the crossing of the moving average on the stochastic. Let's open 3 long position, guys. It won't be a mistake, that's for sure. And again we count on the price pullback, because we have the support zone right at the level of the trade entry. So the crossing of the moving average on the stochastic should be supported with a good price. And just have a look at this massive pump, guys. Perfectly calculated. There are around 30 seconds left before the closing. Let's simply enjoy the beauty of trading, guys. We see the inception of the new candle. It's going down, but no worry, guys, we have a good trade entry level. And yep, guys, also, and the price dropped at the end. We ended up in profits, and there are almost $6,000 on the balance. I think we opened the final position and then we fix the profit. The moving average at bottom, the crossing is about to happen, and at the same time we see the support zone here. That's why we open our long position, guys. The price is below the trade entry point, but it's fine. There are 40 seconds left before the closing. And here is the green candle. I think the price just updated its local low, and now is the time for a pullback. Let's wait for the outcome, guys. This pump looks amazing, exactly as we predicted. And all the position end up in profits, guys. We got almost $10,000 on the balance. I guess it's enough for today, because the market is kind of unpredictable now, because it's almost a night. So let's move on to the withdrawal. I hope everything was clear. The strategy is not that complicated. We simply watch the crossing of the moving average on the stochastic, and we also watch the touch of the strong zones, I mean the oversold and overbought zones, and try to play out the price pullbacks and corrections. That's it, guys. Now let's move to the withdrawal. So let's withdraw $9,600. That will do, and now I'm gonna put down the code. Okay, press the continue button, and there we go, guys. The withdrawal request has been sent. I'll attach the screen where it's done, as usual. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my trading. Good luck in trading. Try the strategy yourself. It's not gonna disappoint you. Bye bye.